our mission at EPB is to improve the quality of life in the community. So it goes much broader than just supplying electric and communication service. And I think that is one of the things that we're striving to do today when we do stuff like make our asset that's important to keeping the lights on, something that showcases the history of the community.
This is called the Spirit of Unity. So I kind of tried to use a different method. I tried to make it visual, more visual by using sign language. So it's actually sign unity.
So I did my mural based on Together We Shine Brighter. I am really drawn to community and sharing my love of creativity, and I think that when we work together and come together, magic can happen.
So for this year's theme around the magic of unity and the possibility of change when we all work together, I was essentially thinking of children, and children as the future, and especially planting seeds of change for future generations.
This is the third time I've been able to be part of this project, which is just amazing. I'm so honored to be part of it. What keeps me coming back, again, it's just the learning from other artists, the other styles, the learning process of how to get the art on the wall, what colors to use, how fast the paint dries. It's just been a continuous learning project, and I just find that really, really joyful, and in the community, really between the other artists as we're all working side by side.
I painted MLK because he's the magician. With his wordplay and his charisma, he organizes people, and he helps people see a better way of doing things. Each theme stands for when people are united. I love coming back because it's like a breath of fresh air to be out in the open. To be able to paint is like me venting and expressing myself through my paintbrush. And so I love to come back every year.
I was drawn to the quote, "We are all caught in an inescapable network of mutuality, tied into a single garment of destiny." And so this quote to me represented how we all come together, our paths intermingle, intertwine, and create a garment. I remember being a pedestrian just walking through the neighborhood 2 or 3 years ago when they were doing the first side. And I remember in my mind, I was like, that is so cool. I was really impressed and really interested in how it was done, and it was done by community members. It was done by people from different professions and different walks of life. And in my mind, I said, I want to do that.
When I think of community, I think of unity. So I wanted to have like people lifting each other up. So I wanted to symbolize that. And I also wanted it to kind of be my version of stained glass. Well, it was actually my first time ever signing up for something like this. A couple of my friends had done it, so I thought I'd give it a shot, and I liked the message of it all.
It's the final year, and I'm so excited to have completed and been part of this project. I painted Bessie Smith because she's a pillar of the community. She has unified fans of all different backgrounds and continues to inspire people to share their gifts of art and music with the community. And I love her. I think she's fabulous and she's amazing and she's a pioneer.
This is kind of the best of Chattanooga, right? I mean, we're so grateful for EPB for doing this and taking, I mean, how often do you have an electric utility that has the wherewithal and the vision to take an ugly sub-building and use that as a platform to support local art, local artists?